Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 944, delete columns to make sorted. So we will be given a array of strings named strs, and these strings can be arranged such that there is one on each line making a grid. For example, like this is the example they have given, and basically we have to figure out the columns which are out of order. For example, ABC is sorted. BCA, this is not sorted, right? And CEE is fine, like it is also sorted. So we have to figure out the number of columns which are not sorted, and we have to return that number as a result. Okay. So we already have few examples over there, but it essentially is the same what we have explained just now. So let's move toward the solution, and I'll explain you what we'll be doing in this. And it's going to be a very simple problem. So I'll be using the zip method, which basically, just makes a tuple of like element-wise tuple, I would say. Okay, for example, A will be coupled with B and C, then B will be coupled with C and A, right? C will be coupled with E. So this is what we're going to get. For example, if we have, let's say, elements as A, B, C, sorry, A, B, C, and B, C, E, and C, A, E. Let's say these were the elements. After zipping, what we're gonna get, we will be getting something like A, sorry, A, B, C. Then in the next tuple, we will get B, C, A. Okay. So this will be the result after using zip method. So let's move to the solution now. So what I'll be doing is I'll be defining a variable results which I'll be turning out from the function. And next I just want to iterate through all these values. Okay. So to zip these, I'll be using something like this. Okay. Now I just have to check if the ordered tuple is in the exact same format of, like, if we sort this. For example, if we'll sort this particular element, we'll get ABC, but BCA is not equals to ABC, right? So in that case, I'll be incrementing one to the result. So here, list of say iterator is not equals to sorted iterator, then add one into the result. And at the last, I'll be just simply returning result. Okay. So let's see what happens with the test cases. Yeah, so the test cases got accepted successfully. Let's submit for further evaluation. Yeah, so the solution got accepted successfully, and I think we performed decent. We outperformed 85% of the solutions. So yeah, thanks, guys, for watching the video, and stay tuned for the comment. Thank you.